Good morning and welcome to Mattavara Dual Institute of Technology. This is the free virtual learning center for everybody. Become an eminent scientist, an eminent professor, an eminent engineer, an eminent innovator in the shortest possible time and in the simplest possible way. Learn free at any place. Learn free at any time. Learn free at any place. Good luck, learners. Have a good day. This program is brought to you by Mattavara Dual Institute of Technology. This is the free virtual learning center for everybody. भवद्भ्यः आनयितम् Mattavara Dual Institute of Technology सर्वेषां कृते निःशुल्कम् आभासी शिक्षणकेन्द्रम् प्रायः शिक्षान्तो प्रायः सर्वं निःशुल्कं भवति तथा च जूम् वर्चुवल् मीटिङ्ग्स् इत्यस्य माध्यमेन एकः प्रख्यातः वैज्ञानिकः प्राध्यापकः अभियन्ता नवीनकारः भवतु भौगोलिकस्थानस्य प्रवाहं विना नित्यम् अन्तर्जलसम्पर्कस्य आवश्यकतां विना वा निःशुल्क वेबिनार् कृते स्वस्य नाम पञ्जीकरणं कुर्वन्तु Learn almost everything free and become an eminent scientist, professor, engineer, innovator through Zoom virtual meetings, irrespective of geographical location, with or without the need for constant internet connectivity. Register your name for free webinars. निःशुल्क वेबिनार्स् कृते स्वनाम कथं पञ्जीकरणं करणीयम् अतीव सुलभम् अस्ति कृपया दूरवाणी इत्येतत् मोबैल् सेव् कृत्वा ततः वाट्सप् टेक्स्ट् मेसेज् द्वारा स्वस्य नाम प्रेषयन्तु तथा xt9t9@yahoo.com इत्यत्र ईमेल् द्वारा स्वस्य नाम प्रेषयन्तु कृपया एतत् सन्देशं स्वस्य सर्वेषु सम्पर्कस्थानेषु प्रसारयन्तु यन् विश्वस्य कस्मिंश्चित् कोणे कोऽपि अस्य निःशुल्कस्य अद्वितीयस्य अद्भुतस्य च अवसरस्य किञ्चित् लाभं प्राप्नुयात् How to register your name for free webinars? It is very easy. Please save the mobile number in your mobile and then send your name by WhatsApp text message and send your name by email. Please spread this message to all your contacts so that somebody in some corner of the world will get some benefit out of this free, unique and amazing opportunity. इति आत्मनिर्भर भारत परिकल्पना. गच्छ हरित वृक्षान् रक्षतु. दर्शकानां शुभकामना. शुभदिवसं भवेत्. एतत् सम्भवं कृत्वा कोरोना इत्यस्य धन्यवादः. This is an Atmanirbhar Bharata initiative. Go green, save trees. Good luck viewers. Have a good day. Thanks to Corona for having made this possible. निमेषं विना स्वकीयं व्यावसायिकं संस्थाम् आरम्भतः प्रायः सर्व निःशुल्क शिक्षन्तु. वैज्ञानिक, प्राध्यापक, अभियंता, नवाचारी बनो. केवलं वाट्सएप मेसेज द्वारा स्वस्य नेम प्रेषयन्तु तथा ईमेल द्वारा इत्यत्र ज़ूम इत्यस्य माध्यमेन फ्री वेबिनार्स इत्यत्र भागं गृह्यतु उपयातिः. Start your own business entity without investment. Learn almost everything free. Become a scientist, professor, engineer, or innovator. Just send your name by WhatsApp message and by email. Attend free webinars through Zoom. अस्वीकरणम् अस्वीकारः. अस्मिन् प्रस्तुतौ सूचनां सम्यक् स्पष्टतया सम्पूर्णतया च प्रस्तुतं प्रयत्नाः भविष्यन्ति. तथापि प्रत्येकं कीलप्रहारम् स्वयमेव त्रुटिस्य महत्वपूर्णः स्रोतः भवति. अतः अन्य उपयोक्तृभ्यं स्वस्य व्यक्तिगत सीमाः पूर्णतया ज्ञात्वा स्वस्य जोखिमेन अत्र प्रदत्तानां सूचनानाम् उपयोगं कर्तुं बाध्यते यदि सन्ति. Disclaimer. Efforts will be made to present the information correctly, clearly and completely in this presentation. However, every keystroke is itself an important source of error, and therefore the end users are required to make use of the information provided here at their own risk, fully knowing their own personal limitations, if any. संसाधनाः. शिक्षिकाभिः प्रदत्ता अध्ययन सामग्री यत्र संभवं तत्र प्रस्तुतेषु अनन्यतया उपयोगः भवति. यन् शिक्षिकाः यस्मात् अध्ययन सामग्रीभ्यः शिक्षितुं शक्नुवन्ति यत् तेषां समीपे अस्ति। तथापि विषयान् अधिकं सरलं सुलभं च कर्तुं यथा यथा आवश्यकं तदा अतिरिक्तव्याख्यानानि कक्षायाः उदाहरणानि अभ्यासाः च समाविष्टाः भविष्यन्ति. The study material supplied by the learners is exclusively used wherever possible in the presentations so that the learners will be able to learn from the same study material which they have. However, additional explanations, classroom examples, and exercises will be included as and when required to make the subjects more simpler and easier to learn. Video recording. सर्वेषां सत्राणां वीडियो रेकार्डिंग सर्वेषां प्रतिभागिनां कृते उपलब्धं भविष्यति यन्ते व्यक्तिगतप्रकारेषु यथावत्वारं गन्तुं शक्नुवन्ति यन्ते यूट्यूब सम्बन्धस्य लिङ्कस्य माध्यमेन सत्रेषु आच्छादितविषये विशेषज्ञाः भवितुम् अर्हन्ति यस्य कृते अपि लाभप्रदम् अस्ति ये सर्वे किमपि कारणेन आन्लैन् सत्रे सम्मिलितुं न शक्तवन्तः. Video recording of all sessions will be made available to all participants to enable them to go through the same as many times as required in individual cases to become an eminent expert in the topic covered in the session through the link to YouTube, which is also beneficial to all those who could not join the online session for any reason whatsoever. कृपया क्षमायाचना कुर्वन्तु. अस्मिन् सत्रे कृतानां सूचनानां प्रस्तुतीकरणस्य गुणवत्तां स्पष्टतां च सुधारयितुम् अस्माकं इमानदारमतानां सार्थकसुझावानां रचनात्मक समालोचनां च रूपेण दानस्य आवश्यकता वर्तते यन् अस्माकं सर्वेषु भविष्येषु सत्रेषु भविष्येषु च कार्यक्रमेषु तेषां सम्बोधनं यया सम्भवं भवति. शिक्षकाणां सर्वोत्तमहितं. Kindly excuse, we need donations in the form of honest opinions, meaningful suggestions, and constructive criticisms to improve the quality and clarity of presentation of the information made during this session, so that they are addressed to the best extent possible during all our future sessions and future programs in the best interest of learners. समर्पण. एषः पाठः मम सर्वेषां छात्राणां कृते समर्पितः अस्ति ये मां कथं पाठयितुं शिक्षयन्ति स्म. This lesson is dedicated to all my students who taught me how to teach. Samskrita or Sanskrit for everybody. Sarvesham krute Samskritam. Sanskrit for everybody. Namo Namaha.
Namo Namaha, Namo Namaha, Namo Namaha.
Yesterday we studied about few of the Sanskrit words. The meaning of Namo Namaha in Kannada is also Namo Namaha. In Hindi it is Namo Namaha. In English it is Namo Namaha. That means exact equivalent word for Namo Namaha is not available, but approximately we can take it as I bow my head, but that we are not using. So therefore, alternatively, they will use something like Namaskaraha, something like that. How many are there, please? Because I am not able to see on my screen who are all the participants who are present.
Two participants are there.
Okay. Now, yesterday we did go through several words and also in the previous classes. Now, these words, let us read once. We can read horizontally or vertically. If we read vertically, it is Balaha, Shishyaha, Agrajaha, Janakaha, Pitruvyaha, Putraha, Patati, Namate, Vadate, Pashyate, Pruchyate, Gachyate. If we read horizontally, it is Balaha, Patate, Shishyaha, Namate, Agrajaha, Vadate, Janakaha, Pashyate, Pitruvyaha, Pruchyate, Putraha, Gachyate. Now, we read these words vertically from top to down, from the left side and then the right side, 3 times.
Balaha, Shishyaha, Agrajaha, Janakaha, Pitruvyaha, Putraha. Balaha patati, Shishyaha namati, Agrajaha vadati, Janakaha pashyati,
Pitruvyaha.
Pitruvyaha pruchyati, Putraha gacchati.
You can repeat 2 more times.
Balaha patati, Shishyaha namati, Agrajaha vadati, Janakaha pashyati, Pitruvyaha pruchyati, Putraha gacchati. Balaha patati, Shishyaha namati, Agrajaha vadati, Janakaha pashyati, Pitruvyaha pruchyati, Putraha gacchati.
Are you able to understand what is the meaning of reading these words horizontally? First, we can go vertically. What is the meaning of the words which are listed on the left side, such as Balaha, Shishyaha, Agrajaha, Janakaha, Pitruvyaha, Putraha? Do you remember the meanings for these things?
Yeah, I think so.
Tell me what are the meanings.
So
You can tell the words.
Balaha. So I think Balaha means small boy. Shishyaha means student. Agrajaha means elder brother. Janakaha means Raja. I don't know about Pruchati, but then Putra means son.
So Balaha is boy. Shishyaha is disciple or pupil or student. Agrajaha, elder brother. Janakaha, father. Pitruvyaha, uncle, or is the younger brother of the father. Putraha, son. Similarly, can you tell what are these names in the second list from top to bottom? Patati, namati, vadati, pasyati, pruchyati, gachyati. What are their meaning? Do you remember the meanings of these words?
Sir, can I tell, sir?
Ha.
In Kannada, can I tell, sir?
Anything, any language.
Yes. ಬಾಲಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಬಾಲಕನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ನಮತಿ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ವದತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಣ್ಣನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಜನಕಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ತಂದೆಯು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಪಿಶ್ಚತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ನೆನಪಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಸಾರಿ.
ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ,
ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪುತ್ರ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ, ಪುತ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಗನು ಆಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಗಚ್ಚತಿ, ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. Okay, very good.
Thank you, sir.
Now, the meaning in English is something like this. Approximate meaning, these are all. So, balaha patati, boy is reading. Shishyaha namate, disciple or pupil or student is saluting. Agrajaha vadati, elder brother is saying something. Janakaha pashyati, father is seeing or father sees. Pitruvyaha pruchyati, uncle is asking. Putraha, son, gachyati, going. So putra gachyati, son is going. Something like that. Now, same thing in Kannada is something like this. Balaha patati, huduga ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, like that. ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ನಮತೆ, ಶಿಷ್ಯ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ವದತಿ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಣ್ಣ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಜನಕಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಅಪ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಪೃಚ್ಯತಿ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಮೇ ಬಿ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಪುತ್ರಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ, ಮಗ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದ. I think you are familiar with this, is it not? All these words are familiar to you now?
Yeah.
Now we will make a exercise here. How we have to read here is like this. One I will show you, then you can go through the same thing in the same fashion. See, balaha patati, balaha namati, balaha vadati, balaha pashyati, balaha pruchyati, balaha gachyati. That means we will take one word from the left column and read all the words in the right column, taking one at a time. So now can you read this 3 times?
ಬಾಲಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಬಾಲಃ ನಮತಿ, ಬಾಲಃ ವದತಿ, ಬಾಲಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಬಾಲಃ ಪೃಚ್ಯತಿ, ಬಾಲಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ.
Repeat another time, 3 times.
ಬಾಲಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಬಾಲಃ ನಮತಿ, ಬಾಲಃ ವದತಿ, ಬಾಲಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಬಾಲಃ ಪೃಚ್ಯತಿ, ಬಾಲಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಬಾಲಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಬಾಲಃ ನಮತಿ, ಬಾಲಃ ವದತಿ, ಬಾಲಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಬಾಲಃ ಪೃಚ್ಯತಿ, बालः गच्छति.
Very good. Whether you can also read?
Yes, sir. बालः पठति, बालः नमति, बालः वदति, बालः पच्छति, बालः पुच्छति, बालः गच्छति.
Again, repeat again, 2-3 times.
बालः पठति, बालः नमति, बालः वदति, बालः पच्छति, बालः पुच्छति, बालः गच्छति. बालः पठति, बालः नमति, बालः वदति, बालः पच्छति, बालः पुच्छति, बालः गच्छति.
Very good.
बालः पठति. Yes, sir.
Okay, tell it, repeat it, no problem.
Yes, sir. बालः पठति, बालः नमति, बालः वदति, बालः पच्छति, बालः पुच्छति, बालः गच्छति.
Now, can you tell the meaning of reading in that way, what it means? Say, Balha Patate, what it is.
ಬಾಲಕನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಬಾಲಕನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಬಾಲಕನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಬಾಲಕನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಬಾಲಕನು ಬಾಲಕನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಬಾಲಕನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good, very good. Now, we will repeat the same thing, taking second word here, Shishyaha, and repeat all these things. Shishyaha patate, Shishyaha namate, Shishyaha vadate, Shishyaha pashyate, Shishyaha pruchyate, Shishyaha gachyate. Can you repeat like that 3 times?
शिष्यः पठति, शिष्यः नमति, शिष्यः वदति, शिष्यः पश्यति, शिष्यः पृच्छति, शिष्यः गच्छति. शिष्यः पठति, शिष्यः नमति, शिष्यः वदति, शिष्यः पश्यति, शिष्यः पृच्छति, शिष्यः गच्छति. शिष्यः पठति, शिष्यः नमति, शिष्यः वदति, शिष्यः पश्यति, शिष्यः पृच्छति, शिष्यः गच्छति.
Very good. You can also repeat the same way.
Yes, sir. शिष्यः पठति, शिष्यः नमति, शिष्यः वदति, शिष्यः पश्यति, शिष्यः पुच्छति, शिष्यः गच्छति. शिष्यः पठति, शिष्यः नमति, शिष्यः वदति, शिष्यः पश्यति, शिष्यः पुच्छति, शिष्यः गच्छति. शिष्यः पठति, शिष्यः नमति, शिष्यः वदति, शिष्यः पश्यति, शिष्यः पुच्छति, शिष्यः गच्छति.
Very good. Now, can you tell the meaning of the, see, these 2 words will make what is called as a sentence. So, we are able to make here 6 sentences using 1 word here and these 6 words. Now, can you tell the meaning like Shishyaha patate, Shishyaha namate, Shishyaha vadate, Shishyaha pashyate, Shishyaha pruchyate, Shishyaha gachyate? What will be the meaning?
Yes.
In English or Kannada, doesn't matter.
ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರು first ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು? Okay.
Anybody can tell, no problem.
Yes, sir. ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good, very good. This you can also try another one. Other student? You can give the meanings. You can give English or Kannada, no problem. Any language.
Yeah. ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. 1 minute. ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good. Now we will take Agrajaha on the left side and use all these 6 words one at a time. Agrajaha patate, Agrajaha namate, Agrajaha vadate, Agrajaha पश्यति, अग्रजः पृच्छति, अग्रजः गच्छति. Now you have to read that 3 times and then you can tell the meaning either in Kannada or in English.
अग्रजः पठति, अग्रजः नमति, अग्रजः वदति, अग्रजः पश्यति, अग्रजः पृच्छति, अग्रजः गच्छति, अग्रजः पठति, अग्रजः नमति, अग्रजः वदति, अग्रजः पश्यति, अग्रजः पृच्छति, अग्रजः गच्छति, अग्रजः पठति, अग्रजः नमति, अग्रजः वदति, अग्रजः पश्यति, अग्रजः पृच्छति, अग्रजः गच्छति.
Very good. Can you tell the meaning of what it will be?
Yeah.
In English or Kannada?
ಅಣ್ಣನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good. So other student also can repeat same thing.
Yes, sir. अग्रजः पठति, अग्रजः नमति, अग्रजः वदति, अग्रजः पचति, अग्रजः पुच्छति, अग्रजः गच्छति, अग्रजः पठति, अग्रजः नमति, अग्रजः वदति, अग्रजः पश्यति, अग्रजः पुच्छति, अग्रजः गच्छति, अग्रजः पठति, अग्रजः नमति, अग्रजः वदति, अग्रजः पश्यति, अग्रजः पुच्छति, अग्रजः गच्छति. ಅಣ್ಣನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good. Now we will take this Janakaha in the left side here and then use all the 6 words one at a time. It will be like Janakaha patate, Janakaha namate, Janakaha vadate, Janakaha pashyate, Janakaha pruchyate, Janakaha gachyate. Like that you can repeat 3 times and tell the meanings in either English or Kannada.
ಜನಕಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ನಮತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ವದತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಜನಕಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ನಮತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ವದತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಜನಕಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ನಮತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ವದತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ.
What is the meaning in English or Kannada?
ಸೊ ಅಪ್ಪನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಪ್ಪನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಪ್ಪನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಪ್ಪನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಪ್ಪನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ and ಅಪ್ಪನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good. So other student also can repeat.
Yes, sir. ಜನಕಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ನಮತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ವದತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಪುಚ್ಛತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಜನಕಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ನಮತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ವದತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಪುಚ್ಛತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಜನಕಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ನಮತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ವದತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಪುಚ್ಛತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ತಂದೆಯು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಂದೆಯು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಂದೆಯು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಂದೆಯು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಂದೆಯು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಂದೆಯು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Very good. So like that we have to understand by looking at the sequence of words that are there, and we don't have to make anything like exact equivalent. That is not possible. Now we will take Prithuvyah here, Pitruvyaha here, and all these words one at a time, and read it 3 times like Pitruvyah patate, Pitruvyah namate, Pitruvyah vadate, Pitruvyah pashyate, Pitruvyah pruchyate, Pitruvyah gachyate. So you can read this 3 times and tell the meaning either in Kannada or in English.
पृथिव्यः पठति, पृथिव्यः नमति, पितृव्यः वदति, पितृव्यः पश्यति, पृथिव्यः पृच्छति, पृथिव्यः गच्छति. पृथिव्यः पठति, पृथिव्यः नमति, पृथिव्यः वदति, पृथिव्यः पश्यति, पितृव्यः पृच्छति, पृथिव्यः गच्छति. पृथिव्यः पठति, पृथिव्यः नमति, पृथिव्यः वदति, पृथिव्यः पश्यति, पृथिव्यः पृच्छति, पृथिव्यः गच्छति.
Very good. You can tell the meaning in English or Kannada.
ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good. So the other students also can repeat.
Yes, sir. पितृव्यः पठति, पितृव्यः नमति, पितृव्यः वदति, पितृव्यः पश्यति, पितृव्यः पृच्छति, पितृव्यः गच्छति. पितृव्यः पठति, पितृव्यः नमति, पितृव्यः वदति, पितृव्यः पश्यति, पितृव्यः पृच्छति, पितृव्यः गच्छति. पितृव्यः पठति, पितृव्यः नमति, पितृव्यः वदति, पितृव्यः पश्यति, पितृव्ಯः ಪುಚ್ಚತಿ, ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Very good. So now we will take this sixth one, Putraha, and read with all of them. Like Putraha patate, Putraha namate, Putraha vadate, Putraha pashyate, Putraha pruchyate, Putraha gachyate. You can read it 3 times. This actually, how many participants are there now? Anybody extra joined?
Oh, no, there are 2 participants.
Okay. Read it 3 times.
पुत्रः पठति, पुत्रः नमति, पुत्रः वदति, पुत्रः पश्यति, पुत्रः पृच्छति, पुत्रः गच्छति. पुत्रः पठति, पुत्रः नमति, पुत्रः वदति, पुत्रः पश्यति, पुत्रः पृच्छति, पुत्रः गच्छति. पुत्रः पठति, पुत्रः नमति, पुत्रः वदति, पुत्रः पश्यति, पुत्रः पृच्छति, पुत्रः गच्छति.
Yeah. What is the meaning approximately in Kannada or English?
So, ಮಗನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good. You can also repeat, other students.
Yes, sir. पुत्रः पठति, पुत्रः नमति, पुत्रः वदति, पुत्रः पश्यति, पुत्रः पृच्छति, पुत्रः गच्छति. पुत्रः पठति, पुत्रः नमति, पुत्रः वदति, पुत्रः पश्यति, पुत्रः पृच्छति, पुत्रः गच्छति. पुत्रः पठति, पुत्रः नमति, पुत्रः वदति, पुत्रः पश्यति, पुत्रः पृच्छति, पुत्रः ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಮಗನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good. Now you see, using this 6 plus 6, 12 words, we are able to make 36 sentences. You see, you are able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes.
these things you will never forget, because one is in learning the language, we must learn listening. That is why when somebody is reading, we can listen. Their pronunciation, volume, yet speaking style will be different. So you will be able to understand. One is listening, then is speaking. So that also you are doing by reading 3 times here, because we should not take more time. That's why. Otherwise, generally in schools, they will say read it 10 times, read it 10 times, write it 10 times, like that. Only by repeating like that, we will become familiar with the words that we are using, and we will not require any book at all afterwards. So we can make a list of the words which we are learning and go through them whenever time is there, so that you will be able to remember. Once it is remembered, you will not be able to forget. That is the importance of this. Now let us go to this one. So approximately this is the Kannada meanings for these words. Now let us repeat the same thing with these set of words. That is Sevakaha patate, Sevakaha namate, Sevakaha vadate, Sevakaha paschyate, Sevakaha pruchyate, Sevakaha gachyate. Can you repeat it 3 times?
सेवकः पठति, सेवकः नमति, सेवकः वदति, सेवकः पश्यति, सेवकः पृच्छति, सेवकः गच्छति.
3 times.
Yeah. सेवकः पठति, सेवकः नमति, सेवकः वदति, सेवकः पश्यति, सेवकः पृच्छति, सेवकः गच्छति. सेवकः पठति, सेवकः नमति, सेवकः वदति, सेवकः पश्यति, सेवकः पृच्छति, सेवकः गच्छति.
What is the meaning in English approximately or Kannada?
ಸೇವಕನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸೇವಕನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸೇವಕನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸೇವಕನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸೇವಕನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸೇವಕನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good. So you can also repeat.
Yes, sir. सेवकः पठति, सेवकः नमति, सेवकः वदति, सेवकः पश्यति, सेवकः
Pashyate,
पृच्छति,
pashyate,
पश्यति, सेवकः
pashyate,
पृच्छति,
pashyate.
पश्यति,
No, not sya. Pashyate.
पश्यति.
Pashyate means seeing.
हाँ,
Yeah.
सेवकः पश्यति, सेवकः पृच्छति, सेवकः गच्छति. सेवकः पठति, सेवकः नमति, सेवकः वदति, सेवकः पश्यति, सेवकः पृच्छति, सेवकः गच्छति. सेवकः पठति, सेवकः नमति, सेवकः वदति, सेवकः पश्यति, सेवकः पृच्छति, ಸೇವಕಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಸೇವಕನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸೇವಕನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸೇವಕನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸೇವಕನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸೇವಕನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸೇವಕನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good. Now we will repeat it with the next word. Bhikshukah here. Patate, namate, vadate, pashyate, pruchyate, gachyate. Like Bhikshukah patate, Bhikshukah namate, Bhikshukah vadate, Bhikshukah pashyate, Bhikshukah pruchyate, Bhikshukah gachyate. You can read it 3 times.
भिक्षुकः पठति, भिक्षुकः नमति, भिक्षुकः वदति, भिक्षुकः पश्यति, भिक्षुकः पृच्छति, भिक्षुकः गच्छति. भिक्षुकः पठति, भिक्षुकः नमति, भिक्षुकः वदति, भिक्षुकः पश्यति, भिक्षुकः पृच्छति, भिक्षुकः गच्छति. भिक्षुकः पठति, भिक्षुकः नमति, भिक्षुकः वदति, भिक्षुकः पश्यति, भिक्षुकः पृच्छति, भिक्षुकः गच्छति.
What is the meaning in either English or Kannada?
ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good. So you can also repeat.
Yes, sir. ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ನಮತಿ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ವದತಿ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ನಮತಿ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ವದತಿ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ನಮತಿ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ವದತಿ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good. So we will take the next words. Mata patati, Mata namati, Mata vadati, Mata pashyati, Mata pruchyati, Mata gacchati. We can read this 3 times.
ಮಾತಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಮಾತಃ ನಮತಿ, ಮಾತಃ ವದತಿ,
Not
ಮಾತಃ
kaha. Mata. ಮಾತಾ
ಮಾತಾ
ಪಠತಿ.
ಪಠತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಪಠತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ನಮತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ವದತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಮಾತಾ ಪಠತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ನಮತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ವದತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಮಾತಾ ಪಠತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ನಮತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ವದತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ.
Very good. What is the meaning in English or Kannada?
ಸೊ ತಾಯಿಯು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಾಯಿಯು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಾಯಿಯು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಾಯಿಯು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಾಯಿಯು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಾಯಿಯು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Pruchyati.
ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ತಾಯಿಯು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ.
Correct. Okay, you can also repeat the same way.
Yes, sir. ಮಾತಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಮಾತಃ
Not
ನಮತಿ.
Mataha is not there. Mata.
ಮಾತಾ
ಮಾತಾ
ಮಾತಾ ಪಠತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ನಮತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ವದತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಮಾತಾ ಪಠತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ನಮತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ವದತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಮಾತಾ
Pashyati.
ಪಶ್ಯತಿ,
Pashyap, not Pacha. It is not Cha. It is
ಪಶ್ಯತಿ.
Ya.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
ಪಶ್ಯತಿ.
ಪಶ್ಯತಿ. ಮಾತಃ ಮಾತಾ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಮಾತಾ ಪಠತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ನಮತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ವದತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಅಮ್ಮನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ತಾಯಿಯು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಾಯಿಯು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಾಯಿಯು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಾಯಿಯು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಾಯಿಯು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಾಯಿಯು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Very good. So here important thing is, see, normally when we become very close, we will not use something like ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, like that, ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದು, ನಾನು ನೀನು, like that only. That is why if we are near to God, we will say ನೀನೇ ಕಾಪಾಡಪ್ಪ. We will not say ನೀವೇ ಕಾಪಾಡಿ. We are not going to tell. So when people come close together, they will speak in something like not using re but le or ne, like that. You are able to follow? So interpretation is ours. But when we are writing, we will write it in that way. That's all. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yeah.
let us take this next word. Anuja patati, Anuja namati, Anuja vadati, Anuja pashyati, Agraja, Anuja pruchyati, Anuja gacchati. Before that, Whether you know the meaning of all these words, Sevakaha, Bhikshukah, Mata, Anuja, Agraja, Sutaha, in English or Kannada?
So Sevakaha means servant. Bhikshukah might be beggar. Mata means mother. Anuja means sahodara. Agraja
Anuja.
means elder brother.
Anuja
Anuja.
means
ಅಕ್ಕ
what?
Anuja means a smaller brother.
No.
ಅಕ್ಕ ಅಕ್ಕ
Okay.
ಅಕ್ಕ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್.
So in
Younger
meaning, in English is something like this. Sevakaha means servant. Bhikshakaha need not be beggar, is monk also, because particularly Jain monks, I have not seen these days, but when I was somewhere in the 4th or 5th standard, 3 Jain monks came to our village. So there were 2 kinds of Jains. One is something like Svetambara, another is Digambara. You know, Svetambara means they will use only white cloths for wearing. Digambara means they will not wear any clothes at all. So 3 monks came to our village. They belong to that Digambara category. They had only one kamandala in the hand. They will get up in the early morning and go to any house, whoever gives. They will not go to all the houses, any one house. Whatever they give, they eat it, and they will not eat the whole day. And evening, before sunset, again they repeat the thing like that. So I had seen them. So Bhikshukah means it could be monk also. Similarly, Anuja means it is younger sister. Agraja means elder sister. Agraja. Sutaha is son. Just like Putraha we have seen earlier. Agrajaha we have seen earlier. Agrajaha is elder brother. Agraja is elder sister. So these words we have already understood, so there is no problem in that. So now we are at Anuja. Anuja patati. Anuja namati. Anuja vadati. Anuja pashyati. Anuja pruchyati. Anuja gacchati. You can read it 3 times and give the meaning in English or Kannada. What it means.
Anujaha patati. Anujaha
Not
namati.
Anujaha. There is no Jaha there.
Anuja.
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 Anuja. It is elongation.
Anuja patati.
Ah.
Anuja namati. Anuja vadati. Anuja pashyati. Anuja pruchyati. Anuja gacchati.
What is the meaning in English or Kannada?
So younger sister will read. Then younger sister will salute. Younger sister will say. Younger sister will see. Younger sister will ask. And younger sister will go.
Very good. You can also repeat.
Yes, sir. ಅನುಜ ಪಠತಿ, ಅನುಜ ನಮತಿ, ಅನುಜ ವದತಿ, ಅನುಜ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಅನುಜ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಅನುಜ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಅನುಜ ಪಠತಿ, ಅನುಜ ನಮತಿ, ಅನುಜ ವದತಿ, ಅನುಜ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಅನುಜ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಅನುಜ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಅನುಜ ಪಠತಿ, ಅನುಜ ನಮತಿ, ಅನುಜ ವದತಿ, ಅನುಜ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಅನುಜ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಅನುಜ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ತಂಗಿಯು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ತಂಗಿಯು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ತಂಗಿಯು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ತಂಗಿಯು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ತಂಗಿಯು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ತಂಗಿಯು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ.
Very good. So we will take now this word Agraja. Agraja patati, Agraja namati, Agraja vadati, Agraja pashyati, Agraja pruchyati, Agraja gacchati. You can repeat 3 times and you can tell the answer either in English or in Kannada.
ಅಗ್ರಜನು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಪಠತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ನಮತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ನಮತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ವದತಿ,
Jaha
ಅಗ್ರಜ
is not there.
ಪಶ್ಯತಿ.
There is no Jaha. Agraja. Agraja.
ಅಗ್ರಜ ಅಗ್ರಜ
Agraja ಅಲ್ಲ
ವದತಿ.
Agraja. Elongation Ja. Agraja ಅಲ್ಲ
Okay.
Agraja.
ಅಗ್ರಜ
ಅಗ್ರಜ.
ಪಠತಿ.
ಜ ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರೋ ಅದ್ರ ಡಬ್ಬಲ್ ಜಾ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಅಗ್ರಜ
ಅಗ್ರಜ.
ಪಠತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ನಮತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ವದತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಅಗ್ರಜ ಪಠತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ನಮತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ವದತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಅಗ್ರಜ ಪಠತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ನಮತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ವದತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಪುಷ್ಯತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ.
ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ನಡ?
1 minute. So elder sister will read, elder sister will salute, elder sister will say, elder sister will see, elder sister will ask, elder sister will go.
Very good. You can repeat the same thing.
Yes. ಅಗ್ರಜ ಪಠತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ನಮತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ವದತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಅಗ್ರಜ ಪಠತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ನಮತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ವದತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಅಗ್ರಜ ಪಠತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ನಮತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ವದತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಅಕ್ಕನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಅಕ್ಕನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಅಕ್ಕನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಅಕ್ಕನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಅಕ್ಕನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಅಕ್ಕನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ.
Very good. Now we will take this one. Sutaha. This is not Sutaha. Sutaha patate. Sutaha namate. Sutaha vadate. Sutaha pashyate. Sutaha pruchyate. Sutaha gachyate. You can read 3 times and then tell the what you understand in either in English or in Kannada. ಓದಿ, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ರು ಓದಿ.
Yes, sir.
ಎನಿವನ್.
ಸುತಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಸುತಃ ನಮತಿ, ಸುತಃ ವದತಿ, ಸುತಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಸುತಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಸುತಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಸುತಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಸುತಃ ನಮತಿ, ಸುತಃ ವದತಿ, ಸುತಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಸುತಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಸುತಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಸುತಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಸುತಃ ನಮತಿ, ಸುತಃ ವದತಿ, ಸುತಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಸುತಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಸುತಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಮಗನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good. Whether anybody else is there in this one?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಳೆ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಎನಿವೆ, now it is 7 o'clock. See, now 36 plus 36, we are able to make 72 sentences now. Is
Yes,
it
sir.
not? Using
Yes, sir.
12 words plus 12 words. So
Yes, sir.
36 plus 36, 72 sentences we are able to make. So
Yes, sir.
now, learning any language, we require first is listening. So listening you are able to do when other person is reading. And next is speaking. So you are repeating yourself. Then what is left is writing. Writing, if you know the Devanagari script, you write practicing it, it will take time. And examinations, it seems nowadays they are asking people to write in using Devanagari script. So write it several times, at least 3 times you write. then you can read. Reading you are doing more or less here itself. So listening, speaking, reading, writing. If these 4 things come, that means we will be able to learn the language we have learned. And by repeating it, these words which we are becoming familiar now because of repetition, we will be able to remember. Afterwards, we don't need any book at all because these words will be with us and we will be knowing their meaning. You're able to follow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I have one doubt,
So,
sir.
so can you write this 72 sentences what we made in the paper? Use the white paper and black color ball pen ink or gel pen ink. So that, and you send it to my number 9844027371 by WhatsApp, so that I will see how you will be writing. See,
Sir,
normally
once again, can you tell me the number, sir?
98
98
440
440
27
27
371.
371. Okay, sir. Okay.
So what we have to do is one, you make one list of words we have learned so far. Okay,
Yes, sir.
list
Yes,
of
sir.
words, and the sentences that we are making, that is 72 sentences. There 36 in the first one, 36 here. So
Yes.
72 sentences, and the number of words will be 12 plus 12, 24. 24
Yes.
words, one separate, this one you make. More than one page does not matter because it depends on size of the letters you write and spacing you can give between one line and another line, like that. Is it not?
Yes.
You
Yes,
make
sir.
it like a table, and that will be your notes. You don't have to buy any book, you don't have to do anything. Say whatever we study, that itself becomes your study material. You're
Yes,
able
sir.
to follow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I
So
have one
make
doubt.
it, yeah. So make it and send that to me by WhatsApp also, so that I will go through and see whether any corrections are required, like that. Otherwise, you will become expert, no problem. So we will meet tomorrow again at 6 o'clock sharp. So we'll continue every day, starting at 6, maybe up to 7, so that we will be able to every day we'll learn something what you have already used plus additional things also, so that you will become more fluent in terms of reading, listening, speaking, or writing. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you like this one?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂತಿದ್ದೆ ಸರ್, ನಂಗೆ ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜಲ್ದಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಈಸಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಂಗೆ.
See, my job was to make the subject easy to remember, easy to learn, easy to practice, easy to score marks in the examination. It is like that. Because after all, I was also a student, is it not?
Yes,
And
sir.
I
Yes,
have
sir.
learned something from every student, because
Yes.
they will make some mistakes, so that I will correct it. They will ask different type of question. I have to find the answer for that one. So I have to read it again and again, simplify it, and see how best we can make it in the shortest possible time. How to make them remember once for all. Otherwise,
ನನಗೆ ಅದು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಪುಷ್ಚತಿ, ಗಚ್ಚತಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಈಸಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಈಗ.
that is what he wanted to make, So after all, I have listened to many people. I have attended also classes like that. I have purchased books nearly, 4,000 rupees worth books. I have
Okay,
spent more than something like around 7,000 rupees for the fees for the teachers. But
Okay.
I found that we do not have a teacher who really teaches. They are only cheating, because they have to live, so they will make money in terms of something. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
once
sir.
money comes, they are not bothered about anything. So here, that is why I said we will make it free virtual learning center for everybody. Learn any subject for any class, any examinations. My job
Yes,
is, even if I don't know, I will study, simplify, standardize, repeat it several times, so that it becomes easy to learn, easy to remember, easy to practice, easy to score marks in the any qualifying examinations. and everybody will be able to remember in their mind itself, because we don't have to refer to any book at all. In fact, I am not used the dictionary, though I purchased in the 1950s or something like that when learning English, but we never used the dictionary for referring and understanding the meanings, etc. like that, because while using automatically it comes. Only thing is there should be environment for that. Since in villages we will have no opportunity to speak in English, we studied in Kannada medium only. We cannot use other than Kannada in the villages. Now that is why we struggled a lot to learn the English language. But even now, I do not know whether I speak grammatically correct English or not. But I know I am using only 1,657 words out of 85,000 plus words available in the 20th century Chambers English Dictionary. You are able to follow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Like that in Sanskrit also, there may be so many words available, but what we have to use is collect only those words which are useful and make a list of them. Once you make a list of them, every time we keep on adding additional words learned, so that the list grows bigger and bigger. And when we reach sufficient number of words for normal conversation, normal writing, like that, there we can stop. Then if interested, we can learn additional 1 word, 2 word, etc. per day, and we can add it if at all it is necessary. That is what we have to do.
Yes,
So
sir.
is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I really enjoyed this session, and I hope you also are enjoying this session.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And
Sir,
I
please,
know
I have one doubt, sir. ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಅದು ದೇವನಾಗರಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹಿಂದಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಪಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, see, Hindi is also written using Devanagari script. This what you are writing is Devanagari script. It can be used for writing anything. So Nepali language also, they write using the same type of style, etc. They use the same style, shape, etc. Hindi also they use same thing. Marathi also
ದೇವನಾಗರಿ
they,
ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ. ಈಗ ದೇವನಾಗರಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಅದು?
ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಈಗ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇವನಾಗರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಂ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ using that small 21 lower case letters and 6 upper case letters where necessary. This is Swagatam written in Devanagari. This is Swagatam written in Kannada.
Yes, sir.
This is meaning. Swagatam is Samskrita, but Swagata is Kannada. Swagatam is Samskrita, written in Devanagari. Swagatam is
Devanagari script. Letters I don't have any idea, sir. So that I asked. Devanagari script letters I am not having any idea, sir. So I asked, sir.
Yeah, no problem. I will. You want me to write how to write this I, E, etc. in this one? Actually, in one of my lessons, I have given all that English, Kannada, this Hindi, how to write and all that. I do not know whether you have missed that one. In that case, I will add it.
Sir. I have written in the book. In my notebook, I have written the Swaragala and Vyanjanalu both, sir.
If you have written that one.
Yes, sir, I have written.
Sometimes back, I remember I have given all of them, telling that some letters are missing in Sanskrita, like A, I is there 3 in the Kannada. There it is A, I. That means there is no meaning in the Sanskrit. Similarly, O, in Kannada, but O is not there. Only O and O is there. You are able to follow?
Yes,
so
sir,
how to write that? I have given some of them. You can use anything, but if you want to write exam, I inquired recently. They say now they have made it compulsory to write in this Devanagari script, using Devanagari script. Otherwise, earlier they were taking like this. Kannada also you can write it this way. Swagatam. So that is why here I have put all of them. See, Swagatam, I have written using our own code which nobody else is using. It is IOMate. They will put a dash here, dot here, etc. And
Yes, sir.
all such things. So that I don't want to use because typing it will be easier here. Similarly,
Yes.
this one is in the using Devanagari script.
Yes.
This is in Kannada letters, using Kannada letters, how to write the Sanskrit words. This is
Yes, sir.
meaning of the Sanskrit words in Kannada.
Yes.
Meaning of the Sanskrit words is English is welcome.
Yes.
You're able to follow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That way. So it is. This is not Hindi letters. It is Devanagari letters used
Okay, sir.
for Hindi also.
Okay, sir.
I think yesterday lesson I have given Hindi words also, you know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yesterday I gave in Hindi, English, Kannada, and our language, Devanagari script. All the four I have given, you know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have seen, sir. I have seen.
See here. See, I have given all of them. So this is in Sanskrita, written using
Okay.
Devanagari. This is in Hindi, using Devanagari. This is in Sanskrita, written in Kannada. This is Sanskrita using English.
Okay.
For these word, this word exact equivalent is not there in any other language also. So we can simply use it. That's all. So one
Yes,
of
sir.
the meaning is I explained giving a some this one clip also where it shows I bow down to you. That is the meaning of Nama Nama.
Yes.
It is in practice in Nepal and other places. And I gave the
Okay.
example of Mr. Bean, who goes for taking training in fighting. That is ಕುಸ್ತಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ
Okay.
ಹೊಡೆದ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಇವನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬಗ್ತಾರೆ ಐ ಗೋ ಡೌನ್ ಅಂತ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ರಿಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಅಂಡ್
ಹೌದು.
ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಡಸ್, ಸೊ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಆನ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ.
ಹೌದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬಿನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಸೆಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. So, okay, we'll stop here. We'll continue tomorrow at 6 o'clock. We'll
Yes,
really make it more interesting and more enjoying.
Yes,
I
sir.
am really enjoying this session
Yes, sir. Thank
because
you, sir. Thank you.
it should be like this. You can give this link to any of your friends. Anybody can join. They can become experts because
Yes,
that
sir.
is what. If more people get benefited, I will be more happy. That's all.
Even
Huh?
I have two friends, sir. I will share this link for them also, sir.
Yeah, you can give the link, give tell anything else, etc. Anybody can join, but
Yes, sir.
they must join in time, and we can close depending on your convenience. So
Yes, sir.
we will make it 6 to 7. But if
Yes, sir.
somebody wants to go early because of going to office or going to school, anything like that,
Yes.
we will not force them to stay here because they have to do other work also. That's why I
Yes.
thought morning 6 to 7 should be ideal for everybody. So I have kept this time. We'll maintain it as long as possible, no problem. So, in fact, Dhamsruta, the other day I gave one of this something called proverb or supta or something like that, or something, you know what you call it as subhashita, where
Varshita. Yes.
sajjanane na tyajanti.
Mhm.
I gave in the previous class. Sajjanane na tyajanti means right people do not give up.
Mhm.
That means once they start some work, they will see that they will work up to completion.
Yes, sir.
You are able to follow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if we stop, it work will not go. We have to do ourselves. So I will help you to become expert. Nothing to worry. You can
Yes,
spread
sir.
the
Thank you.
message. Any number of people can join. Important thing is they must join in time so that they can get the maximum benefit out of this system. Plus I will send a video also. I will give you back so that you go through it again in case some doubt is there, and prepare the list of words what you are learning, at least starting from today, and make that 72 sentences today so that you know you will be able to understand how easy it is to make sentences. Then you can also write what you understand in your own language, either in Kannada or English. Meaning
Yes, sir.
of very sentences like that. So if you
Yes,
do
sir.
that, we will be covering all the 4 aspects of listening, speaking, reading, writing. So if we are good at in these 4, that means we are experts in the language. You're able to follow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll stop here. We'll continue tomorrow at 6 o'clock.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. So Punarmilamaha. ಶುಭ ದಿವಸ. This program is brought to you by Maktavara Dual Institute of Technology, the free virtual learning center for everybody. Become an eminent scientist, professor, engineer, innovator in the shortest possible time and in the simplest possible way. Learn free at any place, learn free at any time, learn free at any pace. Good luck, viewers. Have a good day.